Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hot. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening another box of the Rise trading card game Alpha set, Standard Edition. So without further ado, let's open the box once again. I will do this one without prices because it's annoying to find them out, and also because it's more of a collection slash filler, so to speak. So for our switcheroo card, let's see if I can capture the effect. Yeah. A little bit. We have the Unslain. Summoner here. Once again, it's 36 packs, sturdy plastic packs as well as cards. So let's dig right in. And also once again, I will be skipping all the boring non-shiny cards. Alrighty, but I will skim through them so that if you want to, you can pause. We have a golden fork, an ash clover, and an angel of truth. Also, I hope that I don't accidentally miss one of the cards that needs to be censored. But let's see. So, on to the next pack we go. Where we have a Pandora Store, Dark Forts, and a Mimic waiting for us. Next pack. Where we have a life cycle, a deny, as well as a number 129 of 500 mimic. So let me put that aside. That early in the box, so I'm expecting a second one. Last time we kinda got a gold pack with like only serialized cards. We have a rank 4 spellcaster here, a Aureola, and a White Flame. That's a difficult name to pronounce. Aureola. Let's see, on to the next pack, but those are some sturdy packs. Very sturdy indeed. So here we have a Sad Dinner, a Unswerving, and a Return. So rarity is actually also denominated with the symbols at the bottom. The more stuff you see, the higher of a rarity the card is. So on to the next pack we go. You can see here, those are the very common ones which actually don't have any symbol. Then you have like small silver wings. Then you have it in golden, like with Hungry Like the Wolf. And then you have like wings and, yeah, in this case the same wings. So we have a Reverso and a Skeleton King. And then basically next to the wings there's small wings in addition, and that's like the highest rarity you can have here. a bomb, a rising, and an Ogna's orb. Next pack we go. Yeah, that's the one I will have to censor. We have a core level up, the Reaper, and a Lance. So on to the next pack, where we have El Polo, Chicken, Oxo, the cat owner, and a clone general. On to the next pack. Where we have a Paradise, a Irresistible Accumulation, and the cutest kitty. How adorable. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we have here. A Last Smile, a Cursed Chest, and number 261 of 500 Salt. Let me also put that to the side. So basically, in my opinion, also the serialized cards makes it kind of hard to pinpoint the price of those, because I think probably like the most expensive one should be 001 or 500. I wouldn't know. And we have an Aether, I think. A Key of Light and a Kanok. So we made it through one stack. Still two more to go through. We have a stock rank 3 spellcaster and a Unicity. On to the next pack. Now going through the middle stack. Where we have a Glowing Protection, a Mirador, and a free coin. Very really nice foil effect. Also those cards have a really nice feel to them. Some sort of plastic that they use. A Ravenous Imp, an Alpha, and a Antimatter. On to the next pack. Also makes them pretty sturdy, but a bit overproduced. Not gonna complain. A Vacuum Cleaner from Hell, an Omega, and a Divine Hunt. What I really like, so if I get the Alpha back out, it's kind of a continuous picture, which is cool. Let's continue. Let me not waste your time. We have a Flying Mistigri, a Regular Pepper, and a Last Hope. On to the next pack we go. where we have another card that needs to be censored. Once again, new DT. And another one. A flying skeleton, a necromancer skeleton, and a devastation. Hope I remember all the time frames where I need to censor. We have a Grim Dance, that's an interesting to pronounce name, Vehuia, something like that, and another pepper. On to the next pack we go, where we have a Kalas, a Demonic Skull, and Destiny. On to the next pack we go. Getting more professional with opening the packs. We have a Set Destructor, a Bounty Hunter, and a Hecatomb. On to the next pack we go. Where we have a Silile actually. One of the cards I once again have to censor, so you don't get to see its full glory. A Destiny and a Slime Slug. So far this box had 4 censorable cards, which is a pity. A Set Howler, set probably for zombie, a Unicorn Rider, and a Sorcery. On to the next pack we go, where we have a Holy Grenade, a Zombie Colossal, and a Split, which has once again a really nice foiling effect. And onto the last pack of the middle stack before we move to the right side. We get a rank 4 Morpher, a Gold Eater, and a Felicity. It's also the art on most of those cards actually is really nice in my opinion. Of course, art is subjective. Whoops. That's not supposed to happen. So let me collect all of those, and hopefully we still have them in working order. We have a Malicia, a E-Store, and a Bloody Coin. I think the order was swapped here. Well, that can happen. That can happen. So here we have a rank 1 Spellcaster, a Magic Seal, and a Rest. So you can see here there's not only the wings but some additional stuff coming out of the symbol, so we know it's higher rarity. So let's move on to the next pack and hope that I don't throw them all over the table again. That would be bad. We have a Volam, a Destructor, and a Feather of Light in this one. On to the next pack. Let's see what we get. A Electronic Brain, an Elegy, and an Illumination. And moving on to the last pack. Not exactly. The next pack actually. We have a Ultra Laser Unicorn at your service and a Holy Skull. Moving on, we have a Wildcat, a Portal, and a Blast Corporation. On to the next pack we go, where we have a Food Training, a Decoy Door, and a Rationer. So, 4 packs left. Maybe we can find another God pack, who knows? Probably not. We have a Zombie Gunner, a Winter Door, and a Maximum Level. Third to last pack. Let's open the one with the Clover. Let's see what we can get. So we have with Zombie Dogs, a Door to Heaven, and a Salt. Unserialized. Moving on, where we find a Grave Robber, a Devastation, and a Prophecy of Injustice. Last pack. Let's see what we get here. We have a Gravedigger, a Catacombs, and a Resurrection Prophecy. So, this has been another opening here on Simon's Card Hut. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. I will be seeing you at the next one.